What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna get started on a little mod for the WRX. Tom ordered this with a perrin, plate relocator that goes right here. If you guys are young and your parents start yelling at you that you don't have the plate on, this is a good option.
Yeah. Or like us, we live in New Jersey. Technically, it's the law to have stupid front plate on. It's ugly. So instead of putting it here, blocking the freaking air going in, cooling the car and crap, put it over here, and it'll be better for the car.
And then he's a little mod
and it'll look better.
coming in the mail soon, right?
Yeah, coming soon.
For this to cover it up, says WRX. There's a bunch of things like Cobb, Perrin, Grimspeed.
Yeah, they don't need to steal my money though. They steal your money enough. You know, this is the max. I'm just getting my money stolen. Perrin, you know.
Yeah, Perrin. If you want a sponsor, sure, but
what the?
Cops are coming after us, yeah?
Yeah, cancer and reproductive harm.
What the?
Uh-oh.
There, you see it?
So, for those of you who don't know, this is exactly where it's going. The plate will go right here. So first step, you gotta take out this little plastic piece right here.
Yeah, you got it, bro?
I don't know. I need some help. It's supposed to just pull it out. Look at that, muscle man. Muscle man.
Relaxer.
That's it. Right here.
And then the hole's right there.
Yeah, it's the tow hook mount. That's what it is. And it mounts there.
Perrin, this stuff's fire. Like, it just feels nice.
Sponsor us.
It is so nice, the quality and stuff.
Yeah. Like, show them, like, just the quality of the metal and everything. Crazy good.
Can they see it?
Yeah.
It's so nice. And it's like a matte semi-gloss finish.
Yeah, real nice.
Super nice quality.
Second step is you're gonna put this right, gonna screw into the tow hook in there.
Yep, right in that hole.
But you want to make sure you put some anti-seize on this so that it won't get stuck if you ever want to take it out.
They do give you anti-seize, so those of you that are wondering, it comes in this little package.
Yeah. Just gonna squeeze.
Make sure it's on all the little ridges.
Yeah. Just gonna take it out of there. Should be good enough.
And then just rub it around.
Yeah. I'm wearing a glove just because I don't feel like getting anti-seize all over my hand. You guys could hose me, but it's okay.
Alright, so this little perrin, I don't know what's called honestly, the little bar screws into the frame. It is all anti-seized up. Time to go screw it in. Goes in nice and easy.
Oh yeah. Alright, so now what they say, you need to torque it in. So what we have here is we have a 3/4 socket, and we're gonna go torque it in. Fits right in there. We're gonna torque it in real quick.
It's gonna get a little rusty, but no one's gonna see that. Take your gloves off, sir.
Yeah. Does that mean it's good?
Did it lock, like? Did it, like, hit a... Yeah, it's good, it's good.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's good.
Right. It, like, made, like, that...
It made, like, a little click.
Yeah, so...
For you guys that...
I'm not gonna force it anymore. That's
no, it's good.
It's supposed to go.
Big muscles.
Alright, so... You gotta use one washer, and this bolt right here. And then, also, for the... bracket, it's gonna hold up right here. You got the what's cool is you get to pick the height you want it at. That's what that is.
Yeah, you could select it high or low. We're not gonna go all the way low because then you kind of see this like outline from this looks nasty in the pictures. So we'll go about like right here. Alright, so we finally figured it out.
Yeah, you need one washer on this side, one washer on the other.
Let's see if it focuses.
I don't know. You pick the height, dude. I don't really.
Oh, that's not focused. Alright, there we go. Yeah, see, there's one on the one side, one on the other. Oh wait, no, bro. Look, that's cool. Look, come up from up here. It bends out this way. So then this way it goes on this side because it gets close to the bumper. Supposed to do it like that.
Geniuses. Genius. Genius. Geniuses. We are.
So now we don't even need 6 washers. Take those out. Wash threads.
Oh man.
1 on each side, guys.
That's it. Raise it a little bit, remember?
Oh yeah, we'll raise it a little bit.
Yeah, that's good.
Alright, time to get the plate.
Where's my car parts?
Your car parts?
I don't know, FedEx.
Yeah, where they at?
Where they at?
Jump in the truck, let's search them. This is dusty plate.
Oh, where'd you get that? Oh.
Under the seat, dog. Find where he lives.
Yeah. It's all good.
So now.
What are you doing, buddy? Forgetting a step. I don't know. Maybe the freaking plate holder?
Oh, yeah.
Good idea. Yeah, good idea. Oh, yeah, good idea. Beautiful. Perrin. Ah.
Alrighty. Alright, so it's 4 screws and it's 4 little washers. We're just gonna put the little washer on there. Get this little Allen key. And then it's hard with one hand, kind of.
Oh, that's the final impressions.
We're done. Looks great.
I don't know, 15-minute install?
Yeah, 15, 20, depends on how slow in the head you are.
Pretty much. So yeah, all we're waiting on now is the bracket that goes right here so you don't have to see these ugly holes. Nasty. You know what I really want to do in the future? I just want to sand that down so it's just flat, the bumper.
Oh, yeah.
That would be so sick. But like body shop would have to do that, yeah. But I would totally love to do that. I would have to get a new bumper first, with a little crack. It's hiding it though. No one can see it.
Yeah, no one can see the little crack. Next up, this needs to be dropped soon.
Hey.
Real soon. We're on the hunt for coilovers.
Hey, yeah. You know.
No more gap.
No more.
These mud flaps, gone.
Well, they're still gonna be there, buddy.
Yeah, they're gonna be shaved down.
Yeah. Shark's gonna take a bite. Shark's gonna get hungry.
Yeah, I mean, what else do you think we should do? Next up.
Comment down below. My head, what we're gonna do, coils. I really want to repaint these. It's like either dark silver or gray, or black, one or the other. You know.
We're gonna get lowered. We're gonna get another thing from Perrin.
Wing
Well,
riser.
it's not my car, it's your car, but
What are you talking about? To give me money?
yeah, you
Alright,
want
yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
We're gonna get rid of this little thing.
Stubby. Get a stubby.
Take down here.
Wing riser.
Wing riser.
And
Perrin.
another stubby right here. So
Yeah,
delete that.
Delete the wiper.
Yeah. She is filthy,
Disgusting.
boys.
Oh my gosh.
Filthy, boys.
Nasty.
Disgusting. And it's garage capped. Please tell me how. I don't know.
Possibly Gonna get. Is that a Dome dog?
Yeah. Is that a Tome?
Dome cat back. And then, oh, if you guys haven't watched the last video,
Check it out.
it's red and it does strobe. It might have been the video before that, so go watch those. I'll link them in the description. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.